In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a bit of a trick. It's a bit of something you can do with a vocal in a sampler and it gives you a really fun effect. It's a fun effect that you don't hear all the time, but when you do hear it, you normally love it. It's that sort of thing. Great stuff, right? And there's one big idea behind it as well as a little nuance to consider too. I'll play it again, take a look at the sampler and take a look at the automation to see if you can work it out. I'll of course tell you in a few moments time what this is, but I reckon there's a chance you can figure it out just by seeing precisely what the sampler's doing. The big idea behind this is you find a sampler that allows you to automate the length of the loop. You can see the loop button is turned on, so it's looping through. And the length of that loop is being automated according to the automation above. And then the little nuance I referred to is the snap parameter. This guy down here, snap. What that does is lock the start and end parameters to a 0 point in the waveform. You can see, for example, as I click snap, the end moves to a 0 crossing. The idea behind snap is that by looping only through zeros, you won't get a click or a discontinuity as it loops through. However, this means the loop length will go through in a somewhat jumpy way. See what I mean? And even if I change the automation a little bit, just pull it down. You can see it just doesn't move through as smoothly as you might want it to. In some situations, it does move through a bit more smoothly than that. It doesn't jump quite as far every time. But for this kind of effect specifically, I find that snap is much better off. Because it moves through smoother and a little bit of a click, a little bit of a discontinuity every time it loops through really isn't the biggest of deals in the world. So snap is off. And there you have it. The big idea behind doing a loop length sampler vocal effect, for lack of a better description. Thanks for watching.